Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change cover photo in Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first our click on Facebook app. Click on your profile. Tap on pencil option. Okay, scroll down. Tap on cover photo. Then tap on edit. Click on upload photo. Okay, scroll down, then choose on any photos, click on done, and just tap on save option. Just wait few seconds and to change cover photo in Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.